In one of my previous videos, I already showed you how to create this transition using custom animations. If you haven't seen that yet, just click on the iCard above to check out the full tutorial. Now in this video, we'll create the same style of transition using Canva's Match and Move feature, a much faster and cleaner method. This gives you an alternative technique, so pick whichever one you find easier and more effective. First, create a new Full HD design. That's 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now, go to Elements and search for Freeform Square. You can use any element you like. Place it right in the center of the canvas and adjust the height and width as needed. Next, change its color to violet and slightly reduce the transparency to make it blend nicely. Now let's add some visual energy to the transition. Head back to Elements, and this time search for Blitz. Pick a style you like, preferably with sharp edges or motion lines. Place it at the center, overlapping the square. Slightly rotate it to add a dynamic feel. To make it pop, select the lightning element and click Edit Image. Go to Shadows and choose Page Lift. Set the shadow color to a pinkish red tone, then adjust the blur, curve, and distance settings until the shadow looks clean and sharp. Now change the background to green. This is important because we'll later use the Chroma Key feature in our video editor to remove the background and use this as a clean transition. Great! Your base design is ready. Group both elements together, the square and the lightning bolt. Now duplicate this design twice, so you have a total of 3 pages. On page 1, move the group design to the far right edge of the canvas. On page 2, leave it exactly at the center. No changes here. On page 3, move it to the far left. Make sure the movement from right, center, left follows a straight horizontal path. Now, between each page, apply the Match and Move transition in Canva. This will create a smooth sliding motion across the screen. Then, adjust the page durations. Set page 1 and page 3 to 0.5 seconds each for a quick entry and exit. Let page 2 stay at 1 second. This will act as the main highlight. Just preview it once. It looks strange, but no worries. Canva will correct it after we export. That's it. Your 2-second custom transition is ready. Simply go ahead and download it as an MP4 file. And remember, if you want a longer transition, just adjust the page durations accordingly. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to use Chroma Key to apply this transition seamlessly in your quiz or video project. So, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't